This is the first video we are starting, and it's based on experience of launching communities in Central Asia and Middle East, North Africa, and also working with UK and US communities and across Europe as well. So we don't cover Asia, Southeast Asia, because I don't really have much experience there. So mostly the markets I outlined. And I will teach in this video what are types of developer relations people and how to excel as you in your first steps of becoming a DevRel. So this is mostly like a video for beginners. It doesn't matter which background you have. You don't have to be technical person. You can be like major in any degree, or you can have no degree at all. I know brilliant DevRels who self-taught and have no university education. That's all fine. So there are three main types of DevRels. First one is community builders, which you, in this role, you normally build networks, and you build some sort of database of people. It could be like social media channel, it could be personal blog, or it could be hosting regular meetups. And by the way, all these three roles, often they are all combined in one person. Second is DevRel Marketers, which are mostly what I call soft selling. It's different than community building. It's having some technology product, or if, for example, if you work in financial technologies or game dev, your task here is to help business to actually make more developers or end users to try to use your product, your company product. And it's like proper marketing job. So number three is developer advocates. This is the most technical area. While in here you might need some background in technology, knowing how to write basic code at least, and understanding what is APIs, what is all modern developer journey, developer experience, because you will be creating tutorials, educational content for developers in the role of developer advocate. Now, in post-Soviet countries, what I see in Kazakhstan, in all other countries around us, there is another type of DevRel who is mostly corporate culture person, HR, and technology PR, which is aim is to raise awareness of your company's brand among software developers, community analysts, product managers, etc., to increase chances to hire good candidates. But this I don't see in other markets. In more developed markets, this role doesn't exist. So my advice to you is to, if you're a beginner, to walk the talk. So I mean by this, you should ideally try to do what you are promoting or what you are saying. For example, you could, if you promote some game or you promote some flow, or you actually don't promote, but you want to improve how you game, how people who develop games with your technology experience your product. For example, it could be some, I don't know, 3D engine or some framework. So you need to try yourself what it takes to use your system. And you could learn, for example, on a weekly basis and publish your learnings publicly. Now, if you do it On YouTube rewards like weekly. Once a week, if you publish in YouTube, your subscribers will automatically grow. Doesn't matter how good quality or bad quality your product. In LinkedIn, it's different, and in public blog platforms is also different. And then we understand there's a bunch of mediums. Just for example, and the feedback, how you receive feedback from your content is also different in this. So there's a guy, svix.io. He is actually founder of AI engineer community in San Francisco, very successful. He has an article, how to lead, how to be a thought leader. I think it's ideal for you guys if you're interested. So to be a thought leader, a proper DevRel is always a thought leader. You need to have credibility. To have actually done some work yourself. Next, you need to understand what aspires people, and then you need to kind of really know your stuff. What I mean by this, for example, let me show you. You can build artifact which SYX tells. You can build artifact which compounds. For example, here I built a map of IT companies in London and in Almaty. And where is Almaty? And the Almaty map, because I shared it in the community, I received a lot of hate. I received like feedback, what companies to add. Here is BC Hub, I work here, and I improved it. And actually every week I add some companies, and it's getting better and better every time. And you see, it's 400 people watched it. But when I published, after one day, it was only like 15 people. So it's being compound, and it's a kind of artifact that can give you credibility. So you need to find what aspires people, because many people want to work in Almaty or in London, and you provide your insights. Then it could be like quotable. You could use some formulas or links, and if you have your own opinion, it's also very valuable, not just summarizing others' opinions. And you either can be first to do this, because this map I was first to do, or you can be entertaining if you are not first. So as a homework to this video, I give you this homework, so please pick your topic and spend next month just reading about this topic. And at the end of month, go ahead and publish any content. It could be video like this one, it could be article on Dev2 or LinkedIn, Medium, Substack, tweet, and then send me a link either here in comments to this video or in private, and subscribe for this video channel if you liked it. And I'm looking forward to hear from you, from your success. And if you like this video, I will shoot another video. If nobody likes it, I will not shoot. So thank you for listening, and